everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I have already decorated my table in pink. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Today it is Freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. Okay, so let's start over here with my simple centerpiece in pink. So we have the two candle holders, and I have the black candles in there, but we can switch them out for white. Now, this floral arrangement is absolutely gorgeous. And that bow I made in my Ribbons and Bows collaboration, didn't that come out absolutely gorgeous? And then we have the little pink bunny that I added there. Now this votive and votive holder, I purchased both of those at the Dollar Tree. Now let's come on over here to the place setting. All right, so isn't this a beautiful dish? So here's the salad plate, and this was a thrifted item, guys. Then I bought the pink plates. I bought the pink plates at Michael's. Okay, the charger, this beautiful charger, guys. This came from Hobby Lobby. And then we have this beautiful rosette placemat, and I purchased that at an Asian store in Pennsylvania. So let me go ahead and layer this back. I love it, it's so feminine. Okay, and then we have the utensils that I purchased from Party City. And then I decided to go ahead and do a bow tie with the napkin and this beautiful napkin ring. So gorgeous. Okay, now we have the wine glass, and that came from the Dollar Tree. And then we have the thrifted water glass. And this is what my placemat is looking like. I am loving it. Here's the other place setting right here. All right, I think it came out, it was simple, but it's gorgeous and it's delicate. I love it. And I hope that you guys do too. So I think it's time to head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.